This is the result of having an old pickup and wanting to have a USB charger for the phone. And of course you can't immediately buy this cigarette lighter, the power source anyways, without having to pay ridiculous sums of money. So I just bought a universal one at discount and took it apart and borrowed some of the parts, so hopefully it'll work. We'll see. But I don't know if you can see it. That's what I did. I'm gonna take all the parts, take everything apart, and basically separate the power and the ground so they're not constantly touching each other. So we'll see how it works. Let's test this bad boy. Yay! Working cigarette lighter.